Hey guys, welcome back to Plan of the Month and Floor Plan Friday, where this month we're going to talk about the Birchwood design, which is a relatively new design that we came out with a couple of years ago. And I really love the architectural detail of this design. As you can see in this image, got a lot of nice details with the arch corbels and the double post, and especially a lot of architectural detail with the different finishes that we've done with the log structure on the main body of the house, the board and batten or a hardy board siding on the gables and the dormers. Then you've got some shake siding on the sunroom, some wavy lap siding on the garage. So just a good mix of materials, a good hybrid mix of different architectural finishes that give this particular plan just a lot of character and a lot of detail. So let's take a look at the actual floor plan a little bit more in depth. The Birchwood plan is about 2,245 square feet. It has about 1,620 square feet on the main and about 625 in the upper level. And that square footage is not including any square footage of the garage or covered porches. That's just heated living space when we talk about the 1645 total. So the main floor is perfect for main level living. You've got your master suite with a large walk-in closet and a large side shed bathroom. I love this little feature because this brings the bath to the outside of the main footprint and gives some character to the design with this little shed roof over this bathroom wing. This is actually a timber roof with a built-up insulation system. So when you look up in your ceilings of your bathroom, you've got the exposed beams. Same thing goes for your master bedroom, your kitchen area, and the foyer entry is all an exposed beam ceiling. There is a timber floor system above that when you walk in the front door, you're going to see. So that's going to make a nice statement. And then this foyer gives a little bit of separation to the living room and the kitchen so that you don't walk straight into a great room area. You come in, there's a little bit of separation, there's a coat closet, and then you can come into the living area and the kitchen area where everybody will gather typically most of the time. Love the double-sided fireplace in the living room and the sunroom. You've got a separate dining area, so that is attached to the kitchen so that everybody who's eating is not always just standing around in the kitchen. Nice, spacious living room and kitchen area. And then you've got a great little connector between the garage and the mudroom with a washer and dryer. This is also a place that you could have a drop zone table, or you could put an overflow pantry in here if you wanted to. And the main floor also features a half bath so that guests have a place to use the restroom and not have to go into the master bath. Two-car garage. And like I said, with the different finishes on the exterior of this home, it is pretty limitless to what you can do. So if you want to mix that up and incorporate, a log garage or some log siding on the garage, or if you want the mudroom to be log walls or to be log siding, you can do that as well. So there's a lot of flexibility that you have with this particular plan and the finishes that you want to put into your home. The second floor plan has 2 bedrooms, guest bedrooms, or 2 bedrooms if you've got young children at home, a shared bath, and then an open loft area that overlooks the living room and the foyer area. So just a great plan. The roof system on this main section is an exposed beam timber roof. So when you are in the living room, in the foyer, when you're up in the loft area looking up, you're going to see all exposed beam ceilings with tongue and groove. And let's take a look at the exterior of the home and our virtual tours that we have, the exterior virtual tours that we have on our website. So if you haven't seen this feature, go to our floor plan section on our website, and these virtual tours, you can look at the whole exterior of the home. As you can see, there's lots of architectural detail. You've got this little shed roof over the master bath area. You've got the vertical board and batten siding on the bathroom wing, and as well as the gables and the dormers. This could easily be hardy board, or you could mix it up with log siding or wavy lap siding. But there's really a lot of different options that you have for these for finishing these areas. The back of the house has this screen porch, which is actually off the kitchen. And this is a great area just for relaxing and a perfect little private area to sit on, in addition to the front porch that's covered as well. Your garage is connected, so when you come in, you don't have to get wet. You go right through the breezeway. This garage, like I said before, could easily be log walls with log siding in the gables, or you could mix this up with log siding and some B&B on the exterior, some shake siding. So lots of different options that you have for finishes. And as we pan around to the right of elevation of the home, this is your loft area. That's a loft window. This is your breezeway or mudroom that connects the garage to the house and to the kitchen. And then this is your sunroom and your little eating area or dining area as well. So lots of different finish options that you have with this home. I love this plan. It's super space efficient, and it just is a beautiful design that we implemented not long ago. So hopefully this has been helpful for Floor Plan Friday and Plan of the Month. Don't forget about the promotion that we have this month for finalizing in September. Check that out on our website as well. And if you have any questions about the promotion, please feel free to reach out to your sales consultant. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for joining us for Floor Plan Friday and Plan of the Month. We look forward to you joining us next month for more. Until then, as always, stay safe and healthy and take care.